So I put in the onion. I stir it a little just for stirring sake. Then I put in my pepper, pounded pepper. Pounded it in the mortar. Now I'm stirring it. I'm going to stir it now. Then I'm going to put my tomato paste. This tomato paste, I made it myself. If you want to know how I made it and how I preserve it, because you see it was in a jar, it can be there for how long I want it to be there. If I don't open it, it won't spoil. Now I put in the spices, Maggi, salt, even that other spices there, I made it myself. If you would like to know what it contains, you can still drop comments, so I'll make a video of how to process them. Now I'm mixing the sauce into the rice. I'm going to mix it now. I will just add this water. So I'm putting it back on fire. So I'll leave it here for 30 minutes. When the water is dry, I'll bring it down. And now it's ready. I'm gonna dish it now. Delicious, delicious. This is how I set my own plate. You can set yours however you want, but this is just a low budget rice. Try this style. It won't